Kisii County, we have members of parliament, the Honorable Kibagendi from Kitutu Churches South, the Honorable Barongo from Bomachoge, Borabu, and Honorable Sero, who's from Borabu in Nyamira, joined us as well. So what has emerged from the briefing is that there is a clear and calculated plan to use state power to destabilize ODM-run counties and constituencies in partnership with rogue members of the party, some who are the subject of ongoing disciplinary proceedings and who have since pledged allegiance to our opponents in the regime.
Maybe you'll start afresh.
Yes. So apologies to those who are watching us on the live stream. Some other members of the media have arrived. We just want them to be ready and we'll take the statement from the top. Once I get a signal that those who have now come are okay to proceed. We can proceed? Emmanuel Joe? Yes. We can proceed? Yes. Okay. This is a press statement of a meeting of a central committee of a party. The Central Committee of the party has had a meeting with its elected members, leaders from Migori and Kisii counties to get a brief following recent worrying incidents in the two counties. In attendance from the county of Migori was the Governor, Honorable Chilo Ayako, the Women Representative, Honorable Fatuma Full Network, the Senator, the Honorable Eddie Okech, the Member of Parliament for Suna West, the Honorable Peter Masara, the MP Suna East, Honorable Junet Mohammed, and two MCAs from Migori as well. From Kisii, we have the Honorable Kibagendi from Kitutu Churches South, the Honorable Barongo from Bomachoge, Borabu. Honorable Osero from Borabu in Nyamira was also present. What has emerged from the briefing is that there is a clear and calculated plan to use state power to destabilize ODM-run counties and constituencies in partnership with rogue members of the party, some subject to ongoing disciplinary proceedings, who have since pledged allegiance to the regime. The idea seems to be to utilize state force, particularly the police and provincial administration, to prop up the so-called rebels in an attempt to penetrate our strongholds. In Migori, police fired tear gas at mourners at a funeral on the 3rd of this month in Uriri sub-county at the direction of the area MP, Honorable Mark Nyamita. Honorable Nyamita was invited to today's meeting but did not attend. At this stage, the party wishes to fully dissociate itself from the Honorable Mark Nyamita. We have granted his wish to no longer be part of us and advise our members in Uriri and Migori generally that he is an agent of our opponents in the UDA with the assigned task of sowing confusion and discord within ODM. Honorable Nyamita does not speak for nor represent the party at any level, and we advise our members to view and treat him and all those who support him accordingly. In Bomachoge, Borabu, UDA MP